This is the Harrods Fragrance Advent Calendar. Let's go through the 12 days. Day 1, let's see what it is. So, opening this up. Ooh, this is Floriku fragrance. Never had one. Let's open it up. Ooh, lovely presentation. Look at that. But this is Floriku's Sand and Skin. Overall, I smelled it before, and this is a beautiful scent. A lovely, warm, balsamic vanilla scent. It has like some bourbon type of vibe. Woody, sweet vanilla. I love it. On to day 2. Let's see what's in here. I think I know what this is. Ooh. So this is Ganymede's. I mean, no, sorry, Almoc and Tombois Ganymede. This is very popular actually. So let's open it up. So this is a dab bottle actually, which I'm not really fond of. It's just got like a little dab there. I don't want to spill it out. I've already smelled it very many times. It's like a fresh, clean, citrusy, warm, spicy scent. It's overall warm, spicy, fresh, spicy, like a bergamot. On to day number 3. This is a big boy. This is a big bottle. So let's see what it is. This is from the brand of Perfume. I love their Not Telling fragrance, the Harrods exclusive. Let's see what this one is. Ooh. Perfume Riviere. Spray it on skin. Whoa, is mine leaking? No way. It smells like Ultramar. On skin, fresh, clean, vanilla, airy, sweet bubblegum type of thing. Oh, don't tell me mine is leaking. Overall, really nice. I do like this. Has a little, I get a little scent of oud in there, but I like the freshness mixed with the oud and the sweetness as well. I'd rate this a good 8 out of 10. Next up, I think this one is a 10 ml. Let's dig into it. Day number 4. Ooh, Roja Isola Verde. Yeah, I've heard this one is a banger. So many fragrance content creators love it. So let's dig into it. Ooh, lovely bottle. Look at that green juice. Pretty nice. Let's do one spray on skin. Lovely cap. Let's do the atomizer check. Nice atomizer. Citrusy green. Tea type of vibe. Has like some jasmine in there. Citrus blue. I like it. It reminds me of like Pacific Chill and Killian Cologne. Like those two mixed together. Overall, really nice. Moving on to day number 5. This one I've heard is a banger. So nice heavy bottle. Good expectations. Ooh, this is Fragrance de Bois' Rude Oud.